In the United States alone, about 90,000 people are waiting for a kidney transplant, and about 3,000 of them die yearly while waiting. Even though there's an increased number of organ donations yearly, there are millions of organs that needs to be transplanted to patients. That was said by Wyan Houghton. But my question to you is, would you rather die than to accept a pig's kidney? All right, welcome back. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as the nurse with a difference. And today we are going to be talking about the first world genetically addicted pig transplant. Yes. On the 21st of March 2024, the first ever world genetically addicted pig kidney transplant into a living recipient was performed at the Mass General Hospital on a 62-year-old man with end-stage kidney disease. This whole surgery was done on the 16th of March and it took about 4 hours. The good thing is that this particular hospital, they've had a rich history, a good history on innovation and also organ transplantation. And even the first human organ transplant was also performed in this particular hospital. You can see, but for this to be made a history, somebody actually volunteered to get this pig kidney. Now the question is, who is this man that volunteered to get this pig kidney? Without this man, history will not be made. Without this man, we will not be able to know if it is possible for a human to get a kidney transplant. So who is this hero that actually volunteered to give others hope? His name is Mr. Richard Rick Slayman. So I'm going to be calling him Mr. Rick. Mr. Rick has been a patient with the Mass General Hospital for 11 years. He has type 2 diabetes and he also has hypertension. He received a kidney transplant from a human deceased donor in 2018. Yeah, in 2018, he received a kidney transplant from someone that is dying, like human deceased donor. He received that transplant. But 5 years after receiving this transplant, the kidney failed. You get 5 years that he received it in 2018. Then in 2023, it failed and he was diagnosed of end-stage kidney disease. So he met with his team, and these surgeons and the group of teams brought up this idea to him. And they told him, oh, we are thinking about they must have told him, oh, we are thinking about the transplant of a pig kidney into your body. Do you think we can give it a try on you? Something like that. They must have had a conversation. They told him about the benefits. They told him about the risk involved. They told him about the dangers involved. And this particular man, Mr. Rick, decided to take the risk and actually see the outcome. And today, history is being made at the Mass General Hospital. Yes, today history has been made. And you know that for him to receive that kidney transplant, first of all, he has to have some immunosuppressant medication. Yes, he had some immunosuppressant medication. He has to be on some drugs. He has to be on some medication during that period before the proper transplant. And for those that are thinking, oh, a kidney transplant, they just take the kidney from the pig and give it to Mr. Rickman. No, like the name implies, I said at the very beginning, addicted, genetically addicted pig transplant. You get, so when they get the kidney from the pig, they don't just take it directly and put it inside a man. No, it has been genetically edited. They addict the kidney from the pig. Same way I make this video now and I send it to my video editor to edit. What she does is that, oh, she either reduces the brightness, increases the brightness, or she maybe cuts some things out or do one or two things to make sure that the video is appealing to my audience. That is the same way the kidney is being addicted. They take out what is not supposed to be there. They put in things that are not supposed to be there. So I am not a genetic addictor. So I don't know how to explain it better. So I believe the surgeons will be in a better position to tell you, oh, what did they take away from the pig's kidney? What did they put in the pig's kidney? But just know that the pig kidney was edited to ensure that it fits properly into a living human recipient. So this surgery was finally done, and they came out on the 21st of March to announce it that it is successful. And the medical name for this transplant is known as xenotransplantation. What did I say? Xenotransplantation. And it was done at the Mass General Hospital. So if you want to learn more about this particular transplant, you can check on Google. They have a lot of information. You can actually see the information on the particular hospital website. And one good thing about this, while I still trust their judgment, is that this particular hospital has a previous history of being successful with human organ transplant, and they were the first to do human organ transplant, you get, before they started spreading it out. So you can see there's a lot to actually watch out for. So while this woman, the surgery has been successful, definitely eyes have to be on the man. They have to keep eyes on the man to make sure that he's fine. They have to make sure his vitals are stable. They just have to monitor the man for a period of time, see how the kidney is working, see how it's able to filter waste out of the body and things like that. We all know that the kidney is a very important organ in our body because it helps to filter those waste and toxic substance out of our body. And if the kidney is not there, those waste remain in our body and cause more harm than good. Remember the question I asked at the beginning of the video: would you rather die than to accept a pig kidney? Would you? If you would, kindly drop on the comment section. I would like to hear from you, and I would like to know your opinion about xenotransplantation. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Messi saying thank you. Bye, and see you in our next video.